Did you know a funeral director discovered his partner was selling the same caskets over and over again? Ulysses had run an honest funeral home for 15 years, trusting his business partner completely, until one Tuesday morning when he opened the wrong storage room by mistake. Inside were dozens of expensive caskets he thought had been buried weeks ago. His heart sank as he realized the truth. Families paid thousands for premium caskets, but their loved ones were buried in cheap wooden boxes. His partner had been running this scam for years, cheating grieving families at their most vulnerable moments. When confronted, his partner threatened to frame him for embezzlement and destroy his reputation. Ulysses faced an impossible choice: stay quiet and keep his livelihood, or expose the truth and lose everything. He chose integrity. Working nights, he secretly documented every case and contacted affected families with proof. The partnership collapsed immediately, but those families helped him rebuild from scratch. Today, his funeral home is the most trusted in 3 counties. Doing right always pays off.